let us see what is the definition of the Fermi energy based on the discussion that we have done so far. So based on what we have observed, we can define Fermi energy as the highest occupied energy state at the temperature of 0 Kelvin. Right? At the temperature of 0 Kelvin, its probability is equal to 1 up to Fermi level. So therefore we can say EF is the highest occupied energy state at 0 Kelvin. We can also define in another way, the Fermi energy is the energy state with the 50% of probability of being filled. That is also we saw here at any other temperature, the probability of occupation is 50% at energy equal to Fermi energy. So therefore that way also we can define the Fermi energy concept. Now let us see expression for Fermi energy at the temperature of 0 Kelvin. For this, let us take the number distribution function n of e dE. We saw earlier that number distribution n of e is simply given by the product of Fermi factor probability function f of e and density of energy states g of e. So therefore we can write like this: n of e dE is equal to f of e into g of e dE. So this represents the number distribution over energy level E and E plus dE, very close to energy levels. Now if we take the case of temperature 0 Kelvin, we know that f of E is always equal to 1 for energy level 0 to Fermi energy EF naught. Let us say EF naught be the Fermi energy at the temperature 0 Kelvin. Now to find out the total number of electrons from energy 0 to Fermi energy, we have to integrate this, so that way we get the total number of free electrons per unit volume, which we denote it as small letter n, that is given by the integral of n of e dE between E equal to 0 to E equal to EF naught, and substituting for n of e, which is f of e into g of e, and moreover knowing that f of e is equal to 1 and g of e is given by c e power of half dE. C is the constant given by this 8 root 2 pi m to the power of 3 by 2 by h cube into e power of half dE. So here this part is constant, so taken out of the integral of e power of half is e power of 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, and applying the lower and upper limit, we get this. Now from this we can write the expression for Fermi energy EF naught as like this, or we can simplify it as EF naught is equal to some constant B into n power of 2 by 3. So where that constant is this part, h square by 8m 3 by pi to the power of 2 by 3, and there is of some value of around 5.85 into 10 power minus 38 joules. We see here that the Fermi energy value does not vary much. If we increase the temperature, it almost remains same as EF naught. So at ordinary temperatures also you can say the Fermi energy value is almost same as the Fermi energy at 0 Kelvin, which is EF naught.